leadership. Yeah, y'all clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up.
The way you live your life can be an inspiration to other people, because when you choose to take risks, guess what? They take risks. When you choose to dream big, they dream big. When you choose to join 4-H, they join 4-H. When you choose to speak up for other people, they speak up for other people.
What does leadership mean to you? Part of being a great communicator is being able to ask some really good questions. All of you in this room, you now know a couple things that are personal about your partner. You know who in their life is a leader to them, which is important. You know what type of leadership they admire or look after. You also know what gets on their nerves. This phase is about conduct, how you act.
We gotta meet people where they are. You're all in 4-H, but all of you have a different story. Some of you are showing up still with a smile on your face, making it fun when I don't know what life looked like last week before you got here, and you're still showing up. We never know who we're sitting next to. The things that you're building today is gonna help people 10 years from now. Like, y'all are spending a whole week here from all across the state. And I'm excited about the impact that you're gonna take back to your communities. Can anybody guess what the final C is? So we got communication, we got conduct.
Our last C is character. All of your actions and your talking come from somewhere. They come from your belief system. They come from what you think about the world, what your perspective is.